Hey YouTube, gonna do Sports by the Viagra Boys. It's a song about exercise. Now really the bass is playing this part I'm going to show you. The bass is quite prominent in their music. So it starts off on an E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes to A. Finishes on G. What I'm doing is I'm just playing power chords. The E is open 6th string, A string on your 2nd fret. Then you just shift your finger down to the 4th string. You play the open A along with the D at the 2nd fret. And of course I got some distortion and reverb on, so it makes my sound much bigger. And then the final chord is G. Okay, and I'm just playing the A string at the 2nd fret, and the G is the low E string at the 3rd fret. That is actually not technically a power chord, but you can use it like a power chord. So it's very economical in terms of the finger movement. Alright, that's the verse. Now the chorus, interesting because this keeps playing. The bass is still playing E, A, G, but the guitar is playing this is basically a B major chord, but we're just playing D strings D and G at the 4th fret, D and G, 4th fret. Then we go up to the 6th, and then finish at the 7th. And like I said, the bass is still playing, so it creates kind of a cool effect. All right, that's pretty much it for Sports. It's a good beginner song. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to exercise. All right, bye.